All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my Hank Aaron signed baseball. So we'll check the time, January 28th at 8:59 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. And we have January 28th at 8:59. Let me fix that. There we go. January 28th at 8:59 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Steve. Spot 5 is your winner. So, Steve, please message me to collect your Aaron. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, January 28th, 9 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.